Hi guys, this is Fairy Tita and welcome to another episode of our Q&A with Fairy Tita. So for today, I will be answering some questions that you want to know about Fairy Tita. First, what advice would you give to a wannabe golfer who is intimidated by the fairway? Okay guys, so ako just talking based on my experience, super talaga, when you're a beginner, talagang you really fear going to the fairway for the first time. So ako guys, ang tagal ko na nasa driving range, months, as in months. Alam nyo guys, the only reason kung paano ako napunta sa fairway was pinilit ako ng mga kaibigan ko. So, nung nakita nila na parang natitira ko yung bola, even if siya guys mababa or gumugulong or whatever, kinonvince talaga nila ako at hinatak-hatak nila akong to try na because sinasabi nila, it's still different yung feeling ng nasa fairway ka. And it's really true guys. You know, like, kapag nasa driving range ka, parang lahat natitira mo siya. Pero once you're in the fairway, OMG, hindi ko matira yung mga ko. You will really get frustrated, guys, ha? Sinasabi ko na sa beginner golfers. Your first time in the fairway, it's so frustrating. You will not be able to hit the shots. You will super. But, you know, ganon talaga, guys. Okay? Nangyayari yan sa lahat. Hindi lang sa inyo. So, don't quit because nangyayari yan sa inyo. Ganyan din ang nangyari sa akin. So you just have to be patient and you just have to continue to practice and just enjoy. Enjoy the mistakes. Embrace the mistakes. Embrace it. Laugh about it. And just go on. Diba? Una sa lahat, hindi naman natin ini-aim na maging pro tayo, guys. Ini-aim lang naman natin maging recreational golfers tayo. So, ang mindset natin, huwag natin i-expect na ang tira natin ay sobrang layo. Diba? The fact na lumipad ang bola, matuwa na tayo doon. So, I think you have to manage your expectations as a beginner. Diba? So, hindi ka rin super mafo-frustrate that would lead you to quit. Okay? So just enjoy and have a good time. And I also parang suggest that it helps that you have friends to play with you or to be with you. And also sa akin, it was important for me that my coach was there. Because at least nag-guide kami nung first time kaming nasa fairway. So, I think that's yun. So, and don't be intimidated. Everybody went through the same. And you would realize, guys, na, you know, people in the fairway, because they were also like that, they're very patient naman with beginner golfers. They know that if yung nasa harap nila ay beginner golfer. So, pag ganun lang naman, guys, the only thing you need to do is, you know, ask them if they want to go ahead, 'di ba? Para hindi sila maipit sa inyo, para hindi rin kayo ma-pressure sa inyong first fairway. But a lot of them understand na, you know, if beginner golfer ka, because lahat kami dumaan din naman doon. So, don't be intimidated, just, you know, relax, enjoy, manage your expectations, and if you can bring your coach and your friends to be with you, then much better, diba? Para maging hindi frustrating ang una mong experience. Just have fun. So ako ganun, I just had fun, no? I didn't put so much pressure on myself. In fact, basta matira ko yung bola, sumisigaw na akong champion. Akala talaga na ibang flight. Hole in one din, no? So mga ganun lang guys, yan. So,